Hi guys, I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Welcome to my channel. Today is a fun video. I received my box from Creative Notions. I don't know if you are aware of this, but they switched from an every single month model to an every other month model, and it helps with shipping on their part. It helps with postal delays and all of that. It was a very good move and I support it 100%, but I feel like it's been forever since I've opened one of these boxes, and I literally squealed when I saw this in the mail on my porch. Like, I'm so excited to open this. So I'm going to open this with you. I have not even slit the packing tape. Hold on one second. Okay, got it. I normally at least open the packing tape so that it's easier to get into. Oh, sneaky side tape. There we go. Look at how cute this box is. Now, they did go to an every other box model, so they're still making sure that I'm getting the subscription boxes that I paid for. So it does say October 2023 on it, but it's coming now because I'm still getting the ones that I paid for, and they're going to slowly transition to that every other month model. Here is what's included in the box this month. Okay, you have all of these things right here, and the total value is $88. And then we have a little bit more information, a little bit of a newsletter-ish from them. Okay, and then things that are happening in Creative Notions. Here's a look at what is inside this box. We have a fun patriotic theme here. Oh my gosh, this is heavy fabric. So now that you kind of see what is in here, let me show you a little bit more up close what these items are. Until you find the pattern at the bottom of the box, which is included with every single Creative Notions box, all of this is just kind of a mystery, okay? So we have some rope, not just rope, but great rope. And again, I don't really know what this is for yet, but I'm sure we will find out. Okay, so it's clothesline / utility cord. All right, and let me see if I can find the pattern, because that would make this a whole lot easier. All right, yay! I found a piece of paper that explains the rope, and we have a tutorial on how to make a rope bowl. Now, I've mentioned this before. I can't show you the entire tutorial because that is part of the perks of getting the box, right? But you do get good detailed instructions on how to make the rope bowl. There's another pattern back here for an ice cream pint cozy, which, being summertime, is amazing. If you have not made one of these, they are so cute for gifts. I made these for teachers one year and they loved them. I made it for like a end of school summer project, right? I found empty pint containers on Amazon that were just blank, and so I took those, I filled them with a couple gift cards and some cute tissue paper, had the little cozy around it with a ribbon and a card that went with it, and they absolutely loved it. So it turned out really, really cute. If you haven't made an ice cream pint cozy, you should. It's fun. And then we have another pattern here. Creative Notions goes absolutely above and beyond with cute patterns and gift ideas. Okay, we have another one here that is a chalk pencil holder. You guys see that, right? A chalk pencil holder. I'm not really sure what that is. I'm guessing maybe it's for like your sewing chalk, or maybe it's a teacher thing, but maybe that's just because my mind was on the other thing. The other pattern that has come to go with the fabric that we have here is for this right here. This is Sasha's Star. Okay, and it's a picnic quilt, a 51 by 51, so it's a nice size little picnic quilt, not too big and bulky to take with you, and it would be a cute backyard picnic quilt as well. Absolutely adorable, very cute summery colors. It's very, very well illustrated in this pattern as well, and the things that you need are right here. The fabric that you need for this is right here. Look at this. We have red, we have blue, we have more red and more blue, and then we have this lovely kind of a grungy gray color as well. Okay, so this goes with Sasha's Star Picnic Quilt. This is the pint cozy fabric, and no way. Oh, this is so exciting. Hold on. I have to pull it out and show you. I can't show you just like in the packaging. You got adorable, cute picnic fabric for the pint cozy, a cute little ice cream spoon to go with the pint cozy, and you can't see it because it's clear, but here we go. It is a Creative Notions, let me do it where it's not backwards for you, Creative Notions pint cozy template. This is cool. I've never made one with a template before. I've always just used like paper and kind of sort of made up what I thought it looked like online. So now I have an actual template for it, and that's going to make this way, way easier when I make these for gifts, because I think I'm going to do that gift again. That was really, it went over really well. Okay, we're not done with the box yet. We're going to keep going. In here, with each box, you also get a recipe card that has a recipe that was sent in by another subscriber to the box, okay? And this one is, there you go, Nana's cream pie. Wonderful recipe addition to this. This sounds really, really good. I'm gonna have to add this to my other box of like recipes from Creative Notions. This makes it just feel like a gift from a friend, right? Always a cute little piece of candy. Go USA in the Olympics that are happening right now in Paris. Oh my goodness. So more patterns here from Creative Notions. This is another Barnstar quilt, right? Has everything on the back on how to make that pattern. Hey, this is for the chalk pencil, okay? And then the chalk pencil fabric holder pattern that we got. This is the actual chalk pencil. I guess I should look through my entire box before I start asking questions. But you know what? These boxes are so full of projects and patterns that you never know what's going to come, right? It has a little sharpener here. There you can see a little sharpener here that comes with it, along with the fabric and some elastic that goes with it. I'll have to read the instructions on how to put this together because right now I don't know how. But it's chalk for your fabric, and it's in a little pencil. And this last thing in here, I had to read about in this little booklet right here, because she says right here, what is a sandpaper board? Which was my first question too, right? If you've never used one, you're in for a treat. The sandpaper holds your squares in place while you draw diagonal lines from corner to corner. This will come in handy while making the star blocks in the pattern Table Runner pattern. This cute little pocket included will be easy to make and will store your chalk, pencil, and sharpener so you can always find them. So how genius is this? It is sandpaper that is on this board, and it holds your fabric in place so it's not going to move around while you draw your diagonal line with this right here. And I'm assuming the elastic helps keep it around the board so that it will never go missing, along with the sharpener. That's genius. That's absolutely genius. This is so fun. I am super excited to make all of the things in here. This is very like patriotic summer feel. It's the perfect month for it. If you are a little bit jealous of me right now, I don't blame you. I just got so many fun projects to work on, and I am thrilled because there might be some time this weekend where the boys will be off doing scout things, and it's just going to be the girls at home, and we can just chill and do our own thing. And I think I'm going to make some fun stuff. So yeah, be jealous. But also, don't be jealous, because you could totally get this box, same as me, delivered every other month. All you have to do is go and click the link down below in the description box of this video. You will be taken to the Creative Notions website. There are a ton of products on there from past boxes. Those are on her website as well, okay? And when I say her is Vicky, okay? She is amazing. She's so sweet. She's got such a beautiful heart for quilters, to teach quilters, to educate quilters, and to give them the tools that they need to make things, not just a list of more to-dos, right? Give you the tools that you need, all of the tools in one box to make so many projects and keep you busy. So it's amazing. I love this company. I've been with them for a very long time, and every box is such a treat to open. So if you want one of these boxes, make sure you check out the links in the description box down below and go get on the list so that you can get the next box. because there will be more treasures coming your way in the next box and more projects to work on. And I don't even know what project I'm going to work on next. What do you think? Put down in the comments down below which project you would want to work on first. And also make sure that you tell Vicky who sent you, because I need her to feel all of the love that I have for her and the Creative Notions company. This is awesome. They did a really great job on this box, as they do on all of their boxes, and I want her to feel that love from the Icy Stars quilting community here on YouTube. Okay, that's it for me today. I hope that you have a fantastic rest of the week. I am wishing that I was going to go sew, but I actually have to go make dinner tonight and take care of all the other things on my list. But I will be sewing this weekend, and I will talk to you sometime soon. I'll see you next week, okay? Have a great time. I love you. Create something beautiful. Bye.